Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix email marketing campaigns with Constant Contact, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Constant Contact account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on your dashboard. Select the email marketing campaign you want to fix. Review the campaign's performance metrics. Identify key areas that need improvement, such as open rates and click-through rates. Examine the subject line of your email. Make sure it's engaging and relevant to your audience. Check the email content for clarity and value. Ensure your message aligns with your audience's interests. Analyze your audience segments. Adjust your target audience if necessary to reach the right demographics. Revisit the call to action within your email. Make sure it's clear, compelling, and easily accessible. Review the email design for visual appeal. Ensure images and formatting are optimized for all devices. Test your email's links to confirm they direct readers to the right pages. Seek feedback from team members or colleagues on the email draft. Make adjustments based on constructive criticism. Schedule a test sent to yourself before the final dispatch. Verify that everything appears as intended in your inbox. Once satisfied with the test, prepare for the final send. Track the results after the campaign has been dispatched. Use metrics to analyze what worked and what didn't. Consider A/B testing future emails for more strategic improvements. Continuously refine your approach based on these insights. Stay updated with Constant Contact's new features and best practices. Engage with your audience and solicit feedback to enhance future campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.